Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. This channel is a happy place. I'm happy, and I hope that you are, because I'm going to show you how I play Lowdown by Boz Scaggs on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard, E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is E minor. We're going to start the song by plucking on the A string like this. Now actually that's done on a bass guitar, but we're going to have a little fun with it by playing it on our 6th string. We're going to start at the 5th fret on the A string, put a finger on it, and hammer on to fret 7. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now I'm just pinching the string with 2 fingers, my index finger and my thumb, like this, to get that sound. After that, we're going to start playing chords, and we'll play an E minor 9, and an A13. In order to play that E minor 9, we're going to go to the 5th fret and place a finger on the D string. Then we'll go to the 7th fret and hold down the A string, the G string, and the B string. And we're going to do a little trick with our little finger. We're going to hold down that high E, but we won't play that at first. We'll play, and then we'll strike the B string and the high E string, holding down those strings with the little finger like this. So we're going to go. So it's. Then we'll go to the A13, and we'll play the A13 by holding down the low E string at fret 5. And we don't have to do that, but I like that bass note. And we're going to play the rest of the strings this way. Right? We're holding down the D string at fret 5, the G string at fret 6, the B string at fret 7, and the high E string at fret 7 for that chord. Okay? We can mute or leave open the A string since this is an A13. Okay, but we don't have to play this low note. If you can't get that thumb across there, we can just play this like that. But we'll play that chord this way and then play the high strings again. So we're going to play it like this. And that'll sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I like playing this with my thumb, so I get a soft low end chord on the E minor 9, and then I use my nails to strum the high strings like this. So I get this sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the way I like playing it. Now you can choose whichever way works best for you. Alright, so now that we have the verse chords going, which are E minor 9 and A13, we'll need a chord to lead in to the break. So that's going to sound something like this. So we'll need to play a G major chord here, and that's going to be played by barring fret 7 from the D string down, putting a finger on the B string at fret 8 and the D string at fret 9 as a G chord. So we'll play E minor 9, A13, E minor 9, G. Then we'll go to the break. Before the next part of the song, we're going to go to a D major 7, a C sharp 7, a C major 7, and a B7. I'm playing my D major 7 by going to the 5th fret and barring everything, and then putting a finger on the D string fret 7, the G string fret 6, and the B string fret 7. That's my D major 7. Then I'll move to a C sharp 7 by barring everything from fret 4 down and putting a finger on the D string fret 6 and the B string fret 6. I'll do my major 7 form at fret 3 for C major 7, and that 7 form for B7, and then I'll play this on the B string. That was fret 4, fret 5, fret 7, and then I'll go back and start my progression again. 2, 3, 4. Now I'm using a thin pick so that I get this really light strumming sound, and I'm going to play that part this way. 1, 2, ready, play. 4. Alright, now let's take a look at some of the Louis Shelton riffs for this song. The riff for the B section will sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We started on the G string at fret 9, and we'll slide up to fret 11, and then we'll end up on fret 10 of the B string. So it's, we'll repeat that, and we'll play. So we added a hammer-on from fret 10 to 12 on the B string, pulling back to fret 10 on the B string. So it's, and then we'll follow with fret 8, 9, 11 on the G string, and then do a hammer-on again from fret 10 to 12 on the B string. So the entire thing. Next, we'll go to the chords that back up the guitar solo, and they'll sound like this. 1, 2, ready, play. Then back to our main chords. Now what I'm playing there is an A chord on the fretboard. That's at fret 9. From the D string down, a finger is on the B string at fret 10, and a finger on the D string at fret 11 to hit an A chord. I'm going to open that up, and that's going to give me an E chord. That's just 3 strings. That's at fret 9, the D string, the G string, and the B string. And then I'll do a B chord like that. Now for that one, I'm holding down the D string at fret 9, the G string at fret 8, the B string and E string at fret 7. So that's, we'll play that progression 4 times. Next is Louis' guitar solo, and it'll sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. To make this solo easy to learn, we're going to break it up into small pieces. The first piece will sound like this. For that one, we went up to fret 16, fret 14 on the high E string, back to 16, the B string, fret 14, and then we're going to go to fret 12 on the B string, slide up to 14, and back. That was. For the next section, we'll play this. For that one, we went to fret 13 on the G string, sliding down to 11. The B string, fret 9, 10, back to 9. Then we'll go back to the G string, fret 13, sliding down. Fret 9, fret 11, 11 to 9 with a slide. 8, 9. So that's. And for the next section, we'll play this. For that part, we're going to go to fret 8 on the G string, hammer on to fret 9, the D string, fret 11, fret 9 again on the G string, fret 9 on the B string, fret 11 on the G string. So that's. We'll play that note again at fret 11 on the G string, the B string, fret 9, 10, and then we'll go to the high E string, fret 11, slide up to 10, like that. So again, that's. And we'll finish with. For that, we're going to go to the high E string, fret 11, hammering on the 12, back to fret 9. This is all done on the high E string, and we're going to go to fret 11 and hammer on again. Strike fret 12. So that's. Once we're at fret 12, we'll play that note again, slide to 11, pull off the 9, go back to 11, do the same thing, moving down 2 frets at a time. Like that. So once again, the entire thing very slowly. After that, we'll go back to our main chords, E minor 9 and A 13. And we'll finish out our song playing that. Well, my friends, that's how I play Lowdown by Boz Scaggs on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.